What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pistol Pete, man. I got 5 messages in my DM from subscribers, man, on my IG. So I thought I'd share them with y'all before I drop a little video, man. I got a little video that me, Smoke, and my boy Young did, and I probably do a couple other little tricks in this video. But the first question is, man, where do you see yourself in 5 years, man? I actually see myself, man, on a little towing truck company. That's what I always wanted, man. Hopefully I finish the little criminal justice along the way. Hopefully grow a little better or a little more on YouTube, man. There's a lot more other things, man, but y'all stay tuned for the rest of that. Second question is, why are there so many haters in this world? My thing is, man, I'm gonna tell y'all, ask them. They the one hating. Alright, number 3, why do you stream? I stream because I love playing the games that I play. I like to entertain people, man. I like to make people laugh, man. I like to give people something to look at. Alright. Number 4, man, what other YouTubers are you cool with? Alright, I'm gonna pretty much just do it like this, man. I'm cool with my boy Free Smoke 340, man. A real one, my boy 2 Real B Gaming, my boy TBW. Who else we got? Yeah, there's a few others, man. I can't name them right off the bat, man. Shout out to my boy NS, that's in chat. My boy Cap. Who else in there? Just a lot of people, man. There's so many names, man. But I'm gonna get to the last one, man. It said, if you could help other young kids or teens, what would you tell them? First of all, I'm gonna tell them, man, stay in school, say no to drugs, man. Go to the next level, man. Go to college, man. Become something. These streets ain't what it is, man. Just stay positive, man. You gotta stay away from all that hate, man, cause there's a lot of people that want to see you fall. You feel me? I know it's a lot of people want to see me fall, but ain't no falling, bitch. Ain't no falling. If I fall, you fall, bitch. But that's pretty much it on that note, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit.
It don't matter, tell them drop a like and a sub, nigga. They don't even got watch. Well, they could watch, but you know what I'm saying. That like and that sub go a long way. Need 1,000 of them, baby. Give me that Pete.
You heard me Smoke.
What?
Give me a mod.
Only niggas have, boy.
Yeah.
Give me that, boy. Stop playing with me. Snag alert. Oh.
Oh, my fault. Oh my god. I was chasing down. I was gonna beat that anyways, Smoke. I'm gonna beat that. Niggas just be liking your vibe, man. They figure you a cool cat, man. They figure you a cool.
Watch your stream. I just clicked on a random page, man. Dude just got happy as a, you know what I'm saying? Well,
I should have stayed back though.
Sarah grabbed the controller.
He ain't like that.
One more. Cash him out.
Okay. What's that?
He ain't like that.
Ah!
Good enough.
GG. Shout out to the 6, man. Y'all
555. $5.
$5 for long. I see the 5, I raise you 10.
Raise it 10.